1 week extension cord can turn simple cooling into a serious safety risk. Welcome to my channel, where today we're exploring the top 5 best extension cord for air conditioner for safer power, stronger support, and smarter AC setup. Check the links in the description to choose the right cord confidently. The number 5 product on our list is Zorky extension cord. Powering an air conditioner with a weak cord is not just inconvenient, it can feel risky when summer heat is pushing appliances harder. Zorky extension cord gives that setup a sturdier foundation with 12-gauge wiring, pure copper conductors, and support for 15 amps, 125 volts, and 1875 watts. That makes it a practical pick for air conditioners, vac units, garage tools, and heavy-duty home equipment. The grounded 3-prong plug adds safer power delivery, while the durable PVC sheath keeps the cord flexible and tough for indoor or outdoor use. Its UV-resistant, waterproof jacket and extreme temperature range make it useful around patios, workshops, yards, and job sites. The pros are strong capacity, weather durability, efficient current flow, flexible build, and versatile use. The downside is that plug connections still need to stay dry. Compared with thinner 14-gauge cords, Zorky feels more reliable for demanding appliances. Buy it for safer, heavy-duty cooling support. At number 4 is Plugtul extension cord. A high-power appliance needs more than reach. It needs a cord that feels safe under pressure. Plugtul extension cord brings a heavy-duty 12-gauge build with pure copper conductors, 15 amp support, 125 volt rating, and 1875 watt capacity, making it useful for air conditioners, outdoor tools, garage equipment, and seasonal lighting. The 15-foot length gives flexibility without creating messy excess, while the Et al. Listed Steady Do You jacket helps resist rain, sunlight, and abrasion during indoor or outdoor use. Its biggest convenience is the 3-outlet design, letting you power multiple accessories from one sturdy cord. The lighted indicator also adds quick reassurance because you can instantly see when power is flowing. The pros are strong appliance support, 3-prong grounded design, LED indicator, water-resistant jacket, 3 outlets, and easy storage strap. The downside is that it should not be soaked or left with wet plug-ins. Compared with Zorky, Plugtul feels more useful for multi-device setups. The third one on our list is Firmerst extension cord. Not every cooling setup needs a giant cable. Sometimes it needs a short, strong, no-nonsense connection. Firmerst extension cord gives air conditioner users a practical 10-foot reach with 14 AUG wiring, 15 amp support, 125 volt rating, and 1875 watt capacity. That makes it useful for smaller AC units, home appliances, computers, TVs, speakers, lamps, and entertainment setups when the wall outlet sits just out of place. Its thicker wire design helps reduce overheating risk compared with thinner household cords, giving buyers more peace of mind during everyday use. The pros are compact length, high power rating, simple black design, wide compatibility, and easier placement behind furniture or near appliances. The downside is that it is less rugged than 12-gauge outdoor cords for demanding HVAC or harsh weather use. Compared with Plugtul, Firmerst feels simpler and better for indoor setups where extra outlets are not needed. Buy it for clean, reliable household power extension. On number 2 is LifeSupplyUSA extension cord. A cord that disappears into the background can become a real hazard around powerful appliances and busy work areas. LifeSupplyUSA extension cord solves that with a bright, rugged 10-foot design made for air conditioners, tools, lawn equipment, construction tasks, and outdoor lighting. Its 14-gauge, 3-prong Stibil supports 15 amps, 125 volts, and 1875 watts, giving dependable power for demanding household and job site use. The vinyl jacket resists moisture, abrasion, oil, grease, and rough handling, which makes it more durable than basic indoor cords. The lighted end is a smart safety touch because you can quickly confirm power and spot the cord in darker spaces. The pros are heavy-duty performance, weather resistance, grounded protection, visible jacket, flexible indoor-outdoor use, and strong appliance support. The downside is that 10 feet may feel short for larger outdoor setups. Compared with Firmerst, LifeSupplyUSA feels tougher and safer for rougher environments. Now moving to the last one is Firmerst extension cord. Tight wall outlets can turn a simple axe setup into a frustrating puzzle, especially when bulky plugs block space behind furniture. Firmerst extension cord fixes that problem with a 15-foot black design, 14 AUG thickness, and support for 15 amps, 125 volts, and 1875 watts. That makes it useful for air conditioners, home appliances, office electronics, and tight bedroom setups where safe reach matters. The flat plug is the standout because it slides neatly behind sofas, cabinets, or ACK units without forcing furniture away from the wall. Its low-profile design also helps avoid blocking nearby outlets, which is a small detail that feels valuable every day. The pros are UL and coal listing, flexible folding, heat resistance up to 75 degrees Celsius, stronger build than 16 AUG cords, and clean indoor placement. The downside is that it is better for indoor use than rough outdoor jobs. Compared with LifeSupplyUSA, Firmerst feels sleeker for tight indoor spaces. Among all the winner, Plugtul extension cord is worth buying for stable power support, durable build, and safer everyday appliance use. So guys, this was the video about the top 5 best extension cord for air conditioner. All the links are given in the description. Do check them out. If you enjoyed the video, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more videos. Thank you.